When we start our game, the spaceship is at the top of the screen and falls to the landing pad at the bottom of the screen. To pull the spaceship toward the landing pad, we need to simulate gravity. To do this, we'll create a thread to perform the gravity function. When we create functions that simulate natural phenomena like gravity, motion, and collisions, we're building the game's physics. A game's physics can be very realistic or exaggerated in certain ways to suit your game. Our gravity function will be semi-realistic. In real life, the speed of a falling object pulled by gravity is given by the equation speed equals gravity times time. This equation says that the longer an object falls, the faster it goes. Knowing the spaceship's speed due to gravity, we can calculate how far it falls. The distance traveled by a falling object is given by the equation distance equals speed times time. This equation says that the longer an object falls, the farther it goes. What's the common element on the right side of both equations? Time. Before we can simulate gravity, we need to simulate time. To do this, we'll use a loop and a wait. The wait instruction does just that. It waits for a certain amount of time before moving to the next instruction. So let's create our time simulator. Drag a when clicked icon to the script workspace from the events menu. Now drag a forever loop to the script workspace from the control menu. Next, drag a wait instruction between the forever pincers and attach the forever loop to the when clicked icon. Lastly, enter 0.1 in the wait value circle. For more videos in this series, please subscribe to the DSU Education channel. Thank you.